Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Timeless Kicks. Today I just got a really short video. It's just a review of a recent pickup that I got. Nothing too crazy, but I was pretty stoked getting these. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So we got our Nike box right here. These, I was really stoked, restocked, and I was really excited to get these again. You guys probably know what these are either by the title or by the way I'm describing them, but these originally came out in March, I believe, and I got them for retail to begin with, but I ended up reselling them, which I regret because I really just love this sneaker so much. I really didn't want to pay resale for them because in my opinion, resale for these shoes are just not worth it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think that they're that great of a sneaker to be sold for what they're going for. They currently go for around $300, which in my opinion is kind of crazy for what they are. Yeah, like I said, I originally got these back in March, sold them, and I was able to get these again, and the fact that I was able to get them again for retail just goes to show that I'm just meant to have this sneaker, you know. I'm not gonna resell these. These are gonna be for my personal collection, and I'm super stoked to just have a couple different outfits with them. I think that they're a great summer shoe and also a great fall shoe as well. I think that they just go with so much. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing. So you guys can probably guess what these are. And if you don't know already, you might be able to guess by this box. You guys know what they are? Maybe not know what the colorway is, but I think you can pretty much guess what silhouette. So these are the Nike Dunk Low Pandas. Here we go. Look at that. Really great and versatile sneaker in my opinion. I've seen these like everywhere. Everybody has been rocking these. As Common Hype always says, these are hotcakes. Everybody's just dying to get their hands on a pair of these. And I understand why, however, I still don't understand resale for them. Nike box right here, nothing crazy. I ended up getting these in a 9 women, 7.5 men's. And yeah, let's just take a look at this shoe. So, I don't know. I don't feel like the leather quality on these is that great. They're a little bit stiff. However, with it being a white and black colorway, these just go with everything imaginable. Before I do end up rocking these, I definitely want to get crease guards for them because the first pair that I wore, I didn't wear crease guards and I got a pretty bad crease in them, so I'm gonna try to keep these as clean as possible. Yeah, I mean, there's really not too much to say about this sneaker. It's just a simple black and white colorway. I really enjoy wearing vintage clothing, a lot of streetwear looks as well, so this shoe really goes well with that style, which is why I love it so much, which is why I was so excited to get these again for retail. I actually can't believe that I was able to get these again for retail. That like never happens, and I've been taking so many L's on sneakers. I recently saw someone switched out the black laces for white, and I really like that, so I might end up switching out the laces. I'm not too sure yet, but I am definitely so excited to rock these again. Again, there's not a whole lot to say about them. They're just simple, but they're sleek and just a lot, obviously just because of how versatile they are, a lot of people want them, and it's the year of the dunks. Like, so many dunk colorways have come out, and this is one of the best ones. So I guess I can kind of understand why resell is so much. I just think so many people want to get their hands on these, but like I said, like, I cannot see myself paying $300 for this. I really can't. I'm going back to college in the fall, and this is a sneaker that you will definitely catch me rocking. So yeah, so this is my unboxing. Just a really short video, but one of my new pickups that I was pretty stoked about. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I will be at Boston Got Soul on August 14th, so if you are going to that, I would love to meet you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.